So hi friends, so one of the biggest important opportunity coming forward from the HCL Tech, and this is the direct hiring for the batch of 2024-2025 graduate trainee. So this is a wonderful opportunity. So if you are from the BCom or BCom honors, BBA finance, BBA general, then this is important opportunity for you. Remember, if you know any candidates who are doing BCom or BBA and other, you can share this important opportunity to them. So graduation passing year 2024-2025 can apply for this, and there is a service agreement for 12 months. So if you want, you can apply for this. The job location in Nagpur, Lucknow, and Madurai. So you have to provide all the detail like name, email ID, contact number, and permanent city, and all those stuff. And this is the immediate based hiring. So those who are graduating in this particular domain can apply for this biggest opportunity. Okay, moving to some important other opportunity like from the JustPay, they are hiring for the role of software development engineer backend role. And if you are interested in backend position, then you can apply for this. The other requirements are API integrations and other are there. So if you are interested, you can apply. And we have provided update related to Tesla. So if you haven't applied for it, you can apply for this. This is they are hiring for the designing graduate intern. And moving to next important opportunity. So this is a urgent hiring apprentice plus graduate engineering training opportunity. A reputed engineering organization, they are hiring for the GET role, and the stipend you will be getting the 15,000 per month and strong chance of getting conversion to PPO. So post that you will be getting 3.4 LPS ETC. The requirement is you should be having basic engineering technical knowledge and good communication skills, and AutoCAD CAD knowledge is requirement. Okay, moving to next important that is from the Oracle. They are hiring for the role of project intern Bangalore, and all roles you can apply for this. Okay, so don't miss this wonderful opportunity. And moving to last important opportunity that is from the Comcast. I think they have this responsibility having expired. Next important opportunity, and that is for the role of SD1, and the company Giva, they are hiring for the role of SD1, and job location will be Bangalore. So this is a full-time role. So if you are the especially 125 or 124 have some experience, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Friends, we regularly post lots of important update on my YouTube channel. So if you want, you can subscribe. Or remember, means recently those who apply for Capgemini Acceler, they got the mail for the assessment. So best of luck those who exam, and friends keep applying for off-campus drive. We regularly post lots of important internship like the DRDO and other important hiring going on. So if you haven't applied, must apply. And soon Cognizant and other company hiring will be announced. So keep eye on our YouTube channel so that you will not miss any update. कोई भी query you can ask here, and we can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook or WhatsApp platform you're compatible with. You can ask all your query. So मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.